A very good morning to all. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter number 7, that is our government. So in page number 51 you can see checkpoint and there are two fill in the blanks. The first one is a group of people that makes laws and manages a country is known as the dash. So you have to fill the correct answer there. Second one is dash is the branch of government which makes law. So you have to write the answer there in the blank. The first one is a group of people that makes laws and manages a country is known as the government. Second, parliament is the branch of government which makes law. Now you have to write these two fill in the blanks in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Then you can see the chapter checklist. Here you have to tick the concepts which you have understood. Now let's move to page number 52, that is the first exercise. Here you can see you have to tick the correct options. So for every questions there are 3 options and you have to tick the correct one. First one, a government makes the dash of a country. Now you have to choose the correct answer. Second, in India, the parliament is known as the dash. The options are Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate and Sansad. So you have to choose the correct one. Third, India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. Fourth one, an important part of the government's work is to make sure that the laws are dash by all. Options are given. First one, forgotten. B, followed. C, broken. So you have to choose the correct one. Fifth is, law and order for the entire country of India is looked after by the dash government. The options are city, state and central. I hope you all have marked it. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, a government makes the laws of a country. Second one, in India, the parliament is known as the Sansad. Third, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Fourth one, an important part of the government's work is to make sure that the laws are followed by all. Fifth one, law and order for the entire country of India is looked after by the central government. So you have to write these exercises in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Now we'll move to the second exercise. Here you have to rearrange the jumbled words. So there are 5 jumbled words and you have to arrange them in the given box. Now let's check the answer. First one is govern and the spelling is Govern. Second is Sansad, Sansad. Third is court, Court. Fourth is fair, Fair. The fifth one is punish, Punish. Now let's move to the third exercise, that is answer the following questions. So the first question is, what is meant by a government? The answer is, government is a group of people that makes law and manages a country. Second question is, mention 2 things that a government should do. And the correct answer is, a government should make sure that the laws are followed by everyone. Second, ensure that people get their basic needs like food, clothes, shelter. Now, the third question is, among how many branches is the work of the Indian government divided? So, the answer is there are 3 branches of the government in India. They are, first one, the parliament or the legislature that makes law. Second is government or the executive that ensure that the laws are followed by everyone. Third is the courts or judiciary that settles disputes and punish people who do not follow the laws. Now, the fourth question is, what is the role of the courts? The answer is, the courts ensure that the laws are fair to all in the country. They also punish people who do not follow laws. Now, the fifth question is, why has India been divided into states and union territories? The answer is, India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories because it is difficult to govern the entire country from a single center. Now, the next exercise is think it over. And the question is, why is it important to have a set of laws to govern a country? And you can see the answer here. We need rules and regulation because it keeps us safe and secure. Second, it helps to live a disciplined life. Third, it acts as a guideline as to what is accepted in the society. Next point, disputes can be avoided. Next one, to ensure that the people get their basic needs like food, clothes and shelter. The last one is, it also helps in the progress of our country. Now, here in page number 53, you have activity corner. There are 4 activities: find out, project, life skill and value check. Find out activity, you have to read it carefully and you have to write the answer in your notebook. And the 4th project, that is, we have already discussed in the previous class. So, you don't have to do it again. The 3rd activity is life skill activity and the 4th one is value check. You have to read it carefully and you have to answer it in your notebook, then submit in Microsoft Teams. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.